Hello there. Today I am going to a networking event. Do you want to come with me? First of all, I have to collect my name tag so that everyone can see my name. Hello, John. How are you? Fancy seeing you here.
Hello, Susan. Long time no see. Let me introduce you to my coworker, Sean.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Susan, and I work in London as an English teacher. What do you do?
My name is Sean, and I work in technology. And currently, we are creating a language lab for international companies.
Oh, that's interesting. How long have you been working there?
For 8 years. What about you? How long have you been teaching English for?
Oh, all my lifetime, actually. I love it. Maybe we could meet up sometime and talk about your project.
Yes, that would be nice. Nice meeting you.
Same here. Nice meeting you too. Catch up later, maybe. As you can see, networking is making new relationships and contacts in the business world. Have you been to a networking event recently?
Speak English with Susan.